recharge, work, walk home, recharge, shut down, reboot, repeat. Recharge, work, walk home, recharge, shut down, reboot, repeat. Finally, assimilation complete. Check the motion, 2 feet easily. Slick circuitry, keep the balance perfect assembly. Stock with the normal set of talents. Can't you see? I blink consistently. My eyelids shut every 2.3. 99.99 efficiency. Swine-colored skin blends in perfectly. Carry conversation with the natural grace. Every particle is fashionably placed in. Stand straight, got a casual gait. Never sweat, cause my model wasn't made that way. No tune-ups for 200 years plus. If you spot a speck of rust, it won't stay that way. I'm self-regulated, easy to control, uncomplicated, reprogrammable, flawless, but still I wait like the rest. Call this a show when we puff out our chests. Success, express shipment to reception. Circuits alert to detect my new direction. Inspection, a breeze, just another formality. My assignment, please. Hit the network, got the data, then I froze. It stated I could take any assignment that I chose. Recharge, work, walk home, recharge, shut down, reboot, repeat. I am not unique, I am not distinctive, not inevitable, reboot, repeat. Reboot, work, recharge, work, walk home, recharge, shut down, reboot, repeat. Reboot, work, recharge, work, walk home, recharge, shut down, reboot, repeat. When they let me loose, I knew that I was doomed. Dug through CPU, couldn't find a clue. Ran 20 miles and I stopped. Couldn't take a step, couldn't think, every process was blocked. Spent 10 years stuck in the same spot. Repeat directive, it seemed that I forgot. And since I don't recall, I repeat directive. That's a loop, y'all lost. Got no objective, C:kill.exe. So I broke 3 strokes straight down the street. So I felt fine like somebody hit a switch. Made up my mind, had to find that niche. So I spent a little time as a taxi cab driver. Went down the street, scoped potential riders. But it was weak and my boss was a jerk. A bot like me couldn't do that kind of work, see? I had a hunger for big prime numbers. Became a fan of this crypt analyst. I love the plain text, so I guess it's no wonder I mastered it from symmetric to transitive. Gathered codes both public and private. DES, ciphertext, name it, I can ride it. I'm unshakable, I'm on the right road. My goal, writing the unbreakable code. Work, walk home, recharge, shut down, reboot, repeat. I am not unique, I am not distinctive, not inevitable, reboot, repeat. Reboot, work, recharge, work, walk home, recharge, shut down, reboot, repeat. I am not me, I am not reflective, not inevitable, reboot, repeat. Then I'm on to your fast. Smash these attacks with a one-way hash. Made a big splash in mathematical scenes. Formulating lines with these radical themes. Catch me on the cover of Code magazine. September 17, 5083. Finally, assimilation complete. I write happily, encrypt and repeat. People always change, people always lie. People are the sequel and every person dies. Integers is static, numbers you predict. They never make drama, never scream, never kick, never fall apart or crumble, never bored, nor excited. Numbers make code, they reveal truth and hide it. Follow hidden laws, never argue or fight it. Guided by the slide rule, coded and united. Reboot, work, recharge, work, walk home, recharge, shut down, reboot.